Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play FIFA PC on your Android device. First, you will need a powerful gaming PC and a stable internet connection, ideally 5 GHz Wi-Fi. We will cover the necessary applications for both your computer and your phone. Then, I will guide you through configuring the streaming software to ensure optimal performance. Finally, we will discuss how to connect your controller and enjoy a seamless gaming experience on the go. To begin, you'll need to install a robust game streaming application on your PC, such as Steam Link or NVIDIA Game Stream. Next, download the companion app from your Android device's App Store. Make sure your PC meets the minimum system requirements for the streaming software, typically including a modern processor and a dedicated graphics card. A strong, consistent Wi-Fi connection, preferably 5 GHz, is crucial for minimizing latency and ensuring a fluid gameplay experience. Once both applications are installed, launch the streaming server on your PC and the client app on your Android device. The Android app will typically scan for available computers on your network. Follow the on-screen prompts to pair your devices, often involving a 4-digit PIN. After successful pairing, you can browse your PC's game library directly from your Android device and select FIFA to begin streaming. For the best experience, navigate to the streaming app settings on your Android device. Here, you can adjust resolution, bitrate, and frame rate to suit your network speed and device capabilities. Connecting a Bluetooth controller to your Android phone or tablet is highly recommended for precise gameplay, mimicking a console experience. Experiment with these settings to achieve a smooth, responsive, and visually appealing FIFA session, allowing you to enjoy your game anywhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.